capoeira flow.
On this drill, we're trying to lower ourselves as slow as possible, controlling the weight through my legs. So I'm gonna bend my knees forward but keep my hip as high as I can. So I'm trying to keep my hip extended and I'm bending through my knees so I can control the landing, so it's nice and soft on my hand, on my wrist when I land. So I'm gonna be doing this on both sides. So we're gonna be alternating the sides. So slowly I'm gonna bend my knee in line with my toes and keep my hip up until I can touch the ground and then push back. I am on my toes throughout the whole movement until I completely stand up. It's very important I control the whole weight through my quads, so you should be feeling a lot of tension on your quads, but nice and control. Make sure you don't feel any discomfort on your knees, and keep doing as much as you can until you get used to it, and it's very nice and comfortable for you to transition from one side to the other. Hope you enjoy, and I see you on the next phase.